Hey, Chinks, what up? BX Connect.
What's up, people? It's your boy Funny Sure. Yeah, so now you guys, I'm so duper sad. So now you guys, I'm going to show you this video. Why I call it? I'm gonna call it the Power Puppy Pals. So while I was little, I watched that video and it was really hilarious, guys. It was So now I call this show name called the Power Puppy Pals. The scene called the ticking noise. What they sang that was really hilarious. Before y'all start watching that video of the Power Puppet Pals, I need you to give me your views and like some videos. So click the subscribe button down here and give me the comments below where y'all like it, because that was really hilarious. While I watched that, I think I was like 4 years old. I was 4 years old for watching that, but I think maybe I was 5 years old for watching that, I think. So now you guys, I need to click the like button down here if you like it. Go ahead, click it. Okay, so I'll see you later and I'll see you next time. So peace. So boop. So see ya and enjoy.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snipe, Snipe, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Snape,
Ron,
Severus
Ron
Snape,
Weasley.
Snape,
Ron,
Hermione,
Ron,
Severus
Hermione.
Snape,
Dumbledore!
Harry Potter, Harry Potter, Severus
Harry Potter,
yeah,
Snape.
Harry Potter, Harry Potter,
Severus
Harry Potter, that's me,
Snape,
Harry,
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 Dumbledore! Hermione. Dumbledore.
Snape,
Harry
Potter,
I'm
Harry
Potter.
I'm
Harry Potter. Harry Potter.
Singing
our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.